two of my all-time favorite brands coming together to create this watch, an epic collaboration between Seiko and SEGA, straight from Japan. I can't wait for this, guys. Let's get into it. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short. And guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm keeping with the Seiko theme and wearing my Seiko Arnie super cool reissue of the watch that Arnold Schwarzenegger wore in some of my favorite action movies of all time, including Commando, Predator, and The Running Man. Do you hear that? This sound, SEGA! Guys, that's the sound of my childhood right there. I've been an unabashed Sega fanboy since I received my Genesis Model 1 with the Altered Beast pack-in Christmas morning of 1989. Boy, that was a good Christmas. Fast forward a couple years, and I was gifted my first watch, this Doc Martens quartz piece that my parents brought home from a trip to London. This sparked a lifelong hobby and passion with collecting wristwatches. So, what happens when you take two of my favorite things, watches and retro video games, in particular Sega, and put them through a horological blender? Well, you get this, a limited edition Seiko SEGA Japan exclusive that I can't wait to unbox. Alright, here we go. Guys, this is on my top 10 wish list of most wanted watches. I actually did a video on the channel of my top 10 most wanted watches. And this, I forget what number this came in, but it was on that list. I've wanted this for a while. I can't wait to open this. I actually received this, like 4 days ago. I haven't as much as peeked at it, and that's been tough because I've really wanted to look at this, but I wanted this to be a true first impressions and unboxing. So let's get right into it, guys. Okay, we've got this outer box, Seiko, SEGA. Oh yeah, love that logo. And I got the black version. I felt like this was the most true to the kind of SEGA brand. The Genesis was black. And I feel like this kind of represented the brand the most. And I like black watches. So Seiko SEGA, we got some kanji, black, GMD 3064. And what else do we got? Little writing here. And paper cloth polyester cushion, yada yada yada, box made in China, blah blah blah. Let's get this open. Okay, so inside of the outer box, we have an inner box. We have some paperwork and a tool of some sort. And then we have some more paperwork here, some more paperwork, and that's everything in the box. We don't need that. And then, let's see, this is just a piece of cardboard. We don't need that. And then we got the Seiko watch right here. The guarantee is only valid in Japan. So I had to import this from Japan to get this. And it wasn't too bad on the shipping. It took a couple weeks, but that's not too bad. Worth it. It was not cheap either, guys. This retailed for, oh gosh, I don't know, like $300 or something probably. I honestly don't know. But I had to pay quite a bit more than that to get this watch because, yeah, you know, you're getting it from Japan, limited edition, eBay, all that good stuff. You know how it goes. But it's, you know, something I wanted. And, yeah, we don't need this. Okay, so what do we got here? We got some more paperwork. And we got, what is this little tool here? Oh, is this like a sizing tool for the bracelet? Interesting. I haven't seen one quite like that before. And then some more paperwork. But, you know, who needs that? Okay, here we go. Seiko SEGA. Oh, wow. I'm excited, guys. Box made in China, watch made in Japan. Here we go. Wow. Cool. Now this is brand new, unworn. Still got all its stickers on it. And let's see here. Oh, yeah. Very nice. I like the proportions right off the bat. It's not too big. You know, some of these watches, they're just too big. I don't know what, that trend needs to go away. We need to get these proportions in our check. This one looks very nice. That looks about ideal. And of course, I'll do a full review on the channel at some point. That's not this video. This is just first impressions. And oh, look at that, 60 Sega. This is the 60th anniversary, or this is celebrating the 60th anniversary. It's a chronograph. We got the 3 sub-registers. We got the Seiko. Underneath that, we have the Sega logo. We have a date wheel there, and it's between the 3 and the 6 o'clock. We got applied indices, little touches of blue, the tachometer, and we got kind of a gold tone on the chronograph pushers there. We have a guarded crown, a non-signed guarded crown, stickers on the stainless steel bracelet, all coated in that black PVD, a high polish finish on the case back there, and this is number 139, and this is a limited edition, and that's a nice, pretty low number there for the serial number, so I'm happy with that. Water resistance, made in Japan, Sega, some text around the outer edge there. And why don't we go ahead and get these stickers off of here? Maybe a little sticker ASMR. Oh yeah, there we go. We got those stickers off of there. So we've got a double push button clasp, a pressed fold over clasp there. Nice action. Good articulation on the bracelet. Doesn't feel janky. And this looks like a nice quality piece. Now this is a quartz watch. It would have, you know, in a perfect world, I would have loved a automatic variant of this, but they don't make that. And that's okay. I'm okay with the quartz watch, especially when it has that glorious Sega logo on there. Guys, I love it. I can't wait to size this, throw it on the wrist. Why don't I throw it on the wrist now and see how close of a fit we got. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, look at that. Boy, this is a nice watch. I really like the way this wears. I can't wait to get this sized and do a review on it. But look at the proportions there. Oh, it's almost perfect. Those lugs turn down nicely. It lays on the wrist really well. It's, oh, gosh, wow. Guys, I love this. First impressions, stoked. Absolutely wonderful looking watch. And yeah, this is going to be a winner, guys, hopefully, but we'll do the full review at a later date. All right, guys, that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Seiko Sega collaboration watch. Stay tuned for the full review coming to the channel soon. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures over on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video of me unboxing and giving my first impressions of the very cool Godzilla Citizen Limited Edition. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.